She said, I'm sorry, but we're close. She said, I know, but I'm afraid I lost my place. I said, I'll be going back to home.
Here we are in Brandon, Florida at a car show. Supercharged Saturday nights. Check out this Camaro. How you like that roto fab?
Huh?
How you like that roto fab?
Thank you. Yeah,
you like it? Is it
that
good?
was it. Yeah, I got the SLP stage 1 loudmouth also. Yeah, you got to see when the sun goes down because I got
nice.
the lights on the bottom. I got the
nice.
in the front behind the girl. And my lights. The thing is, instead of mounting here, it mounts here.
Wow.
And it breathes it right out of here because here I gotta get a washer. I gotta get a washer replacement because you see how that blocks all the air?
Oh yeah.
So I gotta move this back here.
You're not getting an air in there.
And not enough. I'm getting some, but not enough. But the thing is, over here, they mount it right behind. Where is it? Not here. Right behind your fans or somewhere.
Right.
Yeah. Wait till my boy Tony gets here. He's got one.
Oh, he's got one. Okay.
So you can see it. It's connected right here.
Okay.
So you don't even have this extension going out.
Wow.
So it just packs it up.
Yeah. So the air comes in and he's getting his horsepower.
Yeah. Well, this one's cranking out about 350 to the wheel.
Okay.
Well, that's because I got this. I got the suspension sway bars. You can see the sway bars right there, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I got a 1-inch drop all the way around. And then I got the SLP stage 1 exhaust.
Oh nice. How you like that exhaust?
Oh, I love it.
So between, this is still giving you noise though, isn't it?
Yeah, but not as much as it did when I threw the... Not as much as when I threw on the exhaust.
Yeah.
See, that one's clean.
Oh yeah. Nice car, man.
See, here's the thing. If I had an SS, I would get into way too much trouble.
Right.
And I already got the cops sitting around.
Everybody wants to race me. Every light I get to.
Just reach in. It's on the door.
So, see, it fits in with the water bottle and everything.
Oh, nice.
But yeah, that's the Volant cold air intake system. And that's about 22 horsepower.
Oh, this one's 22.
Nice.
Yeah, this is higher than
So this
most.
is a bigger.
And it has a dry filter as opposed to a wet filter.
No.
Nice.
This is he has cold. What's that filter thing on his?
This is rotofab.
This one is, this one over here is K&N. It's pretty, but
Cold air in.
if they make you go faster, I'll put lights on it.
Right.
Till then, forget it.
Is that 2013?
Yeah, 2013. In Lutz.
Yeah.
Nice guy.
I think I know who you're talking about.
Yes, a couple more bets, I think. It's a touchscreen radio too.
Nice.
So you can talk to it. Navigation system. It's WB2.
Okay. What's WB stand for?
White bitch. It's like my first and my second ex-wife.
Gotta tell it like it is, though.
Yeah. Sway bars, the front one is way down here. You can see the name on it, Fox.
Oh, right there.
But that's a lot thicker than what comes with it. But those sway bars were front and rear were like $600.
Well,
I love that. It's got the same ground effects.
Yeah.